Good afternoon guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Today's a quick flip through of a gift journal. It's a travel journal that's going with my friend to New York and Connecticut. So it's just about to be popped in the post, and I thought I'd just turn the camera on and do a quick flip through before it goes. So like the one that went to South Africa, it's covered in a linen, an upholstery linen that's been hand printed, and it also has the accompanying or the coordinated silk in the series inside as well. I've just popped the little butterfly and on the front, and you can see the design is across the back, this beautiful gold design, gold and green. It's got two signatures. The first signature basically is the folders for holding all the bits and pieces, for her to tuck things in when she's out and about. I know they'll be doing some museums and all sorts of things, so I wanted to give her plenty of room to tuck bits and pieces of her own in, as well as sort of supply her with ephemera that she can use should she wish. So for starters, I've just popped some little journaling cards in from Tim Holtz. I thought that was quite appropriate with the Times Square, Metropolitan Avenue, etc, etc, and the vintage photographs. I think they're beautiful. From the same paper pad, it had these little, it was like a memoranda page, and I basically started them, cut them out according to the start of the trip, which is a Thursday, and put them on this really pretty brad, and she can always jot little thoughts down should she wish that she would like to journal on about later. So I thought that was really nice. I really like the idea of that, and I've just popped a little Daphne's Diary sticker on the back that she can pop her name, address and contact details on should she wish to, in case she happens to lose it, and where people can return the journal to. So let's pop those back in. I might not take everything out, guys. I really want to try and catch the post office within the next sort of hour or so to get it out to her. So basically this folder here has got a side pocket that she can slot things in really quickly in and out of, and I've just popped some little journaling cards, and because of going to Connecticut for the second part of the holiday, I thought it'd be nice to add some little botanical pieces, because it looks like it's going to be beautiful there this time of year. I've done a little separate little book, and it's covered in the Tim Holtz again, and I filled it with little pages, and this is the book that has her journal prompts in it. Today the weather was, my favourite view from today was. So you can either just use this for lists and things and have the journal prompts in there, or maybe if she just wants to pop this in her bag and leave her journal in the hotel, it might be that she might want to just pop a few little notes down of things that she wants to add and write more about in her journal. As you can see, it's a mixture of all sorts of papers, and there are 12 different journaling prompts in there for her to use. So I thought that was quite fun, and that pops in the front. And then I've done, oh yes, just these two pockets here that's got lots and lots of different bits and pieces in for journaling. Some more of the Tim Holtz. This is a little bit of the graphic 45 that I found of the communique. So yeah, that's self-explanatory. A little belly band here that has just some more from the Tim Holtz little paper pad. And so they slot in there, which I thought are quite fun. She can always take all of these things out should she wish, and pop her own bits and pieces in as she collects other bits. So this is a little sticker from Daphne's Diary, which I've just received and done a flip through of. Belly band on the back here. This was a little paper pad from Hobbycraft, I think, that I bought a couple of years ago, but I thought that was quite apt with the New York, NYC, New York City sort of ticket on there. And again, on the side here, actually I could put them up there, couldn't I, under this little That could be quite nice, just to hold them secure. And again, just got some journaling cards. This was from the same paper pad, I think, as that one. I thought that was fun, more vintage and a bit grungy. And some little, just some little bits of journaling paper there. So those are some of the first pockets that she can pop all her bits and pieces into should she wish. The second signature, I've basically, what have I done with the second signature? That's just for journaling. Oh, I was going to put that on there. That's just for journaling, and I've covered it in the coordinating silk to the linen. And the inside of that is, again, just a Hobbycraft one, but it's not actually their own. I've only just got this one. I think I've done a video share of this as well. Can't remember exactly which paper pad that was from. So I've just popped a very long photograph in the back there that layers through. Lots of different types of paper, lots of stickers. I haven't done any stamping in this one so far. Rounded the corners of the pages because I think that's a nicer finish. Sort of coffee shop, Tim Holtz. What's all this? Let's have a look at that one. Let's just move that around again. So yes, just some journaling paper, botanical washi, which I love. I love the way it coordinates with all these colours from that paper pad. And I just stuck that on there like so. I picked this out of a book of photographs. It's huge, so what I've done, it looked like the Flatiron Building, but it's not actually the Flatiron Building in New York, but I popped it anyway because I love the colours. And I've popped paper on the back should she wish to open it up and journal on it. That's an option. And then I've popped a little pocket here. It's got a little communique thing in there. I didn't put much in because it's jam-packed already, but it's just enough there so that she knows that she can pop things in should she wish. A little Daphne's Diary sticker at the top there on yellow, sort of like a mild yellow tea-dyed paper. Some of the Tim Holtz little words here: destination, adventure, journey. I love that. Just with from a lovely tree book I have. It's beautiful quality paper. I popped this in because I love it, and it's really autumnal, as you can see, and I thought that would be really nice for journaling their little break after the city in Connecticut, because it looks like it's going to be beautiful. Beautiful time of year to visit that area. Just a little bit of fabric. This isn't vintage, but I thought it was fun with the different postage stamps and things, and like a botanical type sticker thing I picked up from Rosie at our atelier, as was the botanical washi too. This beautiful sticker is from the Daphne's Diary sticker book that I've just picked up. My friend loves all things vintage. She loves china, she loves jewellery, fabrics, clothes, and I just thought that jewellery type sticker looked lovely there. Thought she'd like that little pop with colour. Just from a little pop that I have on, I think it's just paintings of the English countryside, but again I thought it would be really, really appropriate for just to reflect the beauty from the second part of her journey that's not going to be sort of cityfied, if you see what I mean. A reminder of the time of year of travelling. This beautiful piece was from a Ladybird book that a friend gave me. I'd earmarked it for my own autumn journal, but there is another one that I will have, and my friend can have this one in there, so that's quite nice. And I paired it on this side with this tea-dyed washi. It feels gorgeous as it's been baked in the oven as well. And then this Daphne's Diary sticker, oh, this beautiful ring. I thought that was gorgeous. Just pop that there. Just layered the just some little journaling piece of paper. I think that's from the Works, and a piece, a Tim Holtz ephemera piece. On the side of that little pocket, but I've just popped a couple of bits in so she knows that she can pop something in there should she wish. This is a skyline. I think it might be New York, but I couldn't see where it was. I couldn't confirm that, to be honest, from the book that I got it from. But I just popped it in because I thought it looked nice, which I think is a good enough reason as any. And just popped it in with these tiny sort of antique or burnished brass effect bulldog clips, which I think looks so nice. On that side, okay, so that's a little piece that I found from the communique pad that I had, and I think that looks quite nice, like that. Other side of the Tim Holtz, another little coffee sticker, and there were just a couple of the stickers that had this like china and flowers. I thought they looked nice. There were lots of them, but not many in the colourway that I wanted. The green and the orange, the warm colours. Just pop this in, it'll fold out. I was going to make a pocket out of it, but I didn't in the end. So it just got the communique bits and pieces in there, which she can journal on if she wishes, or to do something else with. I love this paper. I love it. I love it. The grungy effect on that. What have I done here? Decided to put all these together. So just different sizes, real junk journal style, which she will like. And this, I really like the look of. That was from the not Tim Holtz, the Daphne's Diary sticker pad. And I really like the pop of really clear colour, or clean, crisp colour against the, as opposed to the grungy. I think sometimes the mix, people do that and mix the two, and I really liked the way that looked. So that's that. The end, the back has got a pocket, and I just folded over and glued the silk, and it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. And pop these bits and pieces in it. Pop these bits and pieces in it. Again, she can take them out should she wish, and pop some other things in. Or use them to decorate pages. Really is up to her. On the back, another pocket I've popped in for her to a couple of things for journaling. A couple of things for journaling on that one. And this again is from that Tim Holtz paper pad, which I love. And I've just doubled that up and popped some coffee dyed paper in the middle for journaling. And there's that one on the back. So that, my friends, is my second gift journal for my friend going off to New York this time. And the first one is jollying its way around South Africa as we speak. And so that's it. That's it. That's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the flip through. My next video will probably be sorting out pages for my autumn day book and popping pockets on the inside covers. So look out for that one. Thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed already and you like what you see, please press the like button and subscribe. And it might be obvious, but it wasn't to me until someone told me about it on another video. If you'd like notifications of my videos as they come up, just press the little bell icon next to the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every time I sort of upload a new video. Might seem obvious to you, wasn't to me. I found it really useful when someone actually explained what that little bell icon was all about. So thank you guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.